Welcome to the Carl Albert State College Library. To access the library's website, you will need to go to carlalbert.edu. From the Carl Albert homepage, you will click the Academics link. Once you're on the Academics page, you will click the link for the library. This is where you will find all the resources available for research. To access eBooks from the library, click the eBooks link. There are two options available for eBooks. First, we will look at Gale eBooks. You are provided with subject categories of the eBooks that are available, as well as a search box where you can search your specific topic. Today we will search the topic of weather. Type in your topic and click the search button. You are provided with all the eBooks that contain information related to the topic of weather. In order to look at one of the eBooks, simply click the title of the eBook. You are taken directly to the page of the book that pertains to your topic. eBooks will also provide citation information for you by clicking the Citation Tools link on the right side of the page. For Carl Albert State College, you will select MLA or APA, depending on the citation format your instructor has instructed you to use. If you are on campus, you have direct access to eBooks. If you are off campus, you will need to use your ViteConnect username and password in order to access the eBooks. Now let's take a look at EBSCOhost eBooks. With the EBSCOhost ebook collection, you are provided a search box where you type in your topic. Typing in the topic of weather, click the search button, and you are provided with the eBooks pertaining to the topic of weather. In order to look at one of these eBooks, you simply click the title. A brief description is provided to you about the book. And then in the left-hand column, you can click the full text link, and the full text of the ebook is provided for you. EBSCOhost eBooks will also provide a citation. Click the link labeled Cite, and you're provided with a list of citation formats. You can scroll down the list, and again, the ones that Carl Albert State College uses are APA formatting and MLA formatting. So again, for eBooks, you have two options, EBSCOhost eBooks and Gale eBooks. Remember, if you are off campus, use your ViteConnect username and password to access eBooks.